Alvitra, die Dachmarke. This video shows you how to seal existing pipe openings with and without using preformed details. For sealing existing pipes protruding from the roof build-up, various sleeves are available depending on the diameter. The ready-to-install preformed detail is slipped over the pipe and hot air welded to the waterproofing membrane. Then place the included shrink sleeve at the upper end of the preformed detail so that it will cover both the pipe and the preformed detail by half. Now make the sleeve shrink, applying hot air all around. This will also activate the adhesive at the inner side of the sleeve. Therefore, you must only use the sleeves included in the delivery. Apart from this quick and easy method, sealing can be carried out also manually. To this end, prepare a tape with a circular marking at the center with a diameter of approximately 2/3 of the actual pipe diameter. Cut the tape according to the marking and heat the area with hot air until it can be stretched. Now slip the tape over the pipe and weld it to the waterproofing membrane all around. Then place a tape around the pipe for the upper part and cut it to length, observing sufficient overlap. Round off 3 of the corners as shown. Remove the release film. Now sufficiently heat and stretch the lower area in sections. Heat only smaller sections and stretch them carefully but forcefully with your hands. Shortly hold them, then stretch the next section until the material has been stretched as shown here. Now the tape can be fitted tightly around the pipe, tacked at the top, then fold it back and weld it. Again, tack weld and seal weld in sections. Press the membrane tightly into the valley using the brass roller. Then seal weld vertically from the bottom to the top. Finally, shrink on a sleeve or ensure fixing at the top by other means, for example, a pipe clamp.